Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about compressibility of soil. There is a soil mass. We are constructing a structure over the soil mass. Because of the building weight, some stresses will applied in the soil mass. If stresses are there, corresponding strain also there. Here strain means a volume change. When soil mass is subjected to a compressive force, its volume decreases. Decrease in volume occurs under compression force is known as compressibility of soil. Compressibility is a property of a soil. Whenever we talk about the soil volume change, it will occur because of two things. First one is explosion of water in the voids. Second one is compression and explosion of air in the voids. If you note that there is no compression in water because we know water is incompressible. So we cannot compress the water in the soil. Only explosion of water will happen in the soil. Compressibility will occur because of two things. One is compaction, another one is consolidation. Take a soil. The soil exists with voids always. Without voids, soil is not possible. Voids are always there. If voids are filled with air, if I apply the load, the process will called compaction. We remove the air and we are reducing the volume of soil. If we are removing the air from the soil, the process is called compaction. Then what about consolidation? If all the soils are filled with water, then you applying the load, we can remove the water from the soil. The process is called consolidation. Compaction, we are going to remove the air from the soil, and consolidation, we are removing the water from the soil. Soil compaction is the process in which stress applied to a soil causes densification because of air is displaced from the pores between the soil grains. Compaction is an instantaneous process of reducing the volume of voids due to the explosion of air, and consolidation is divided into two types. First one is primary consolidation, then next one is secondary consolidation. Primary consolidations refer to the mechanical process by which soil change its volume gradually in response to the increase in stress. That happens because after compaction, soil is a two-phase material compressing soil grains and pore water. When soil saturated with water is subjected to an increase in stress, there will be a high volumetric stiffness of water compared to the soil matrix. Means that the water initially absorb all the change in stress without change in volume, it creating excess pore water pressure. Due to the excess pore water pressure, water diffuses away from the region of high pressure due to seepage. The soil matrix gradually takes up the pressure change and shrink in volume. So, the primary consolidation is the process in which reduction in volume takes place by the gradually explosion of water under long-term static loads. Primary consolidation is a time-dependent phenomena of reducing the volume of soil due to the explosion of excess pore water. The secondary consolidation is the continuous deformation of the soil structure after excess pore water pressure has dissipated. Secondary consolidation also a time-dependent process of reducing the volume of soil due to the plastic readjustment of soil solids. In a secondary consolidation, there will be a readjustment of soil particles in their respective position. Secondary consolidation is just like a creep effect. If you see the primary consolidation and the secondary consolidation, primary consolidation refer to consolidation due to dissipation of excess pore water pressure, while secondary consolidation refers to a creep process. This graphical presentation shows exact idea about compaction and consolidation. Before and during compaction, the soil sample is considered as a three-phase system. It has solids, water and air. Soil voids are filled with air, then degree of saturation will be less than 1. So before and after compaction, degree of saturation of the soil is less than 1. During compaction, the explosion of air will happen. That means we are removing the air from the soil. So after compaction, soil is converted into two-phase system. It consists of solids and water. So during consolidation, the explosion of excess pore water pressure will happen. That means we are removing the excess pore water from the soils. Please note down that we are removing the excess pore water from the soil. We are not removing the pore water from the soils. Always there will be some pore water. We cannot remove it from the soil. After primary consolidation, there will be a secondary consolidation. In secondary consolidation, the plastic readjustment of solids will happen. That means the soil particles change their position and some amount of volume change will happen. That is called as secondary consolidation. So during primary and secondary consolidation, saturation is 1. Because after compaction, soil will change partially saturated into fully saturated. So fully saturated means the void is filled with only water. So we know for fully saturated, value of S is equal to 1. So during consolidation and after consolidation, degree of saturation is 1. Now we have a question, which process is possible? Compaction will possible before construction. In any type of building, before construction we do compaction. Because if you are not compacting the soil before construction, after construction due to the building weight some settlement will happen. So in every project we do compaction before construction. Why we not use consolidation before construction? There is only one reason, because it is a time taken process. For example, compaction will occurs immediately. If you are applying the load on the soil, the airs will get removed from the soil immediately. But we cannot remove the water from the soil immediately. So consolidation take time. Maybe a 20 year or 30 year or more than 30 year also happen. So because of the time consuming only, we are not using the consolidation before construction. This is the explanation about compressibility of soil. If you have any doubt, please leave it in the comment. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.